Hi, I'm Bob Cooper, President of Elite Worldwide, and today I got a couple things going on for me that are really, really cool. Number one, I'm with my dear friend Joe Marconi, owns Osceola Garage in upstate New York, writes for Ratchet Wrench, does a lot of other really great things for the industry, has his own firm, auto shop owner. But I'm also pleased to tell you he is also the instructor for our Fly with the Eagles business management course. And I'm joined by him today. He's presenting the course today. Yes. And sitting in on, I heard you, Joe, speak about guarantees when it comes to recruiting.
Yes.
Techs as an example, or advisors.
Absolutely.
And would you take just a moment and share your thoughts with our audience when it comes to guarantees?
Absolutely. When it comes to employees, hiring employees, or making employees feel satisfied and secure about their jobs, I have no problems. If I've done my homework, hired the right people, I have no issues of making them go home with a feeling of security by giving them a great guarantee. They have to go home with some take-home value to their wife, to their husband, to make sure that they can put food on the table, provide those basic needs. I am not afraid of that. If they don't perform down the long run, then I could deal with that. And then maybe they won't be working for me in the long run because they can't perform. But in order to attract the best and talented people, you have to offer great guarantees. You really do.
So step up to the plate. What you're telling our viewers is make sure that if you're looking to recruit, step up to the plate. Right. Make sure that you give that applicant peace of mind of knowing that if he does decide to join you, it's not just going to be vapor and all of a sudden there's no promises and everything is gone, right?
Exactly. This is how you will attract top talent to your organization.
What a great tip, Joe. Thanks so much. As always, a great tip. And thanks for doing a great course today as well.
You're welcome, Bob. My
pleasure.
Awesome,
as always. And thank all of you for watching us. Take this tip that you learned from the master here, put it to use. You're going to be thrilled with the results. Thanks.
Thank you.